Now, share markets have opened on a low note today as there remains a lot of uncertainty about geopolitical developments amid the Trump-Xi meeting and a possible US-China trade deal on the cards. In fact, Sensex opened at over 300 points lower, while Nifty opened at 115 points lower than yesterday. This comes after the Indian stock market ended positively yesterday, with the Sensex closing at 84,997 and the Nifty 50 at 2654. The rally was driven by strong performances from key stocks like Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank, NTPC, Adani Ports, Power Grid, HCL Tech and Tata Steel, which rose up to 3%. Remember, sector-wise, Nifty, metal and oil and gas indicates led with gains of nearly 2%, while auto and select banking stocks saw minor profit booking. Dr. Kohli, your comments on this?
Well, the reason, Vaishali, why the markets are subdued is because it was running for the last few days and there is some kind of profit booking. And one of the main reasons why you're seeing the markets in negative is because of negative international cues. And those cues are that US Fed has cut down the rates by 25 basis points last night. But the commentary given by the Fed chairperson Jerome Powell is not very positive. He says that inflation is catching up in America. The US shutdown, which is the second longest shutdown in the US history, has started showing its pangs on the US economy. And he said that December Fed meeting, this is very important, December Fed meeting may not make it sufficient for making another rate cut. So we call this as a negative guidance note in a technical language. So because of the negative guidance for December, I think the markets have not liked that, because market always go in anticipation. Market look forward to events because it is already discounted. The 25 basis rate cut which has happened was already discounted over the last 2-3 days bull run. So the guidance note is not looking very good. So there is some profit booking. The Indian markets had crossed an important benchmark yesterday of 26,000 as far as Nifty is concerned. But now, as of now, it's again trading below that. I think the undertone of the market, Vaishali, is still looking bullish. If the US-China trade deal happens, you will see the market again going up. So I think the market outlook is not looking bad at all. After so much of run over the last few days, there is some profit booking, there is some consolidation, and of course the negative guidance from the US Fed. But overall undertone of the market is bullish after a long time. Ever since September 24 till September 25, the markets were very depressed, very range bound from 24,200 to 25,400, 500. And finally, they've broken that range and now close to 26,000. So I think market operators finally have heaved a sigh of relief. The undertone is bullish, although today is a bit negative. We still have a lot of hours to go before the market closes, Vaishali.
And Dr. Kohli, Trump and Xi Jinping's meeting now, how will it affect gold prices globally as well?
When Xi Jinping meeting concludes in a win-win situation for both the nations, then we will see some selling pressure on gold, Vaishali, without a doubt, because gold likes uncertainty. Gold likes a disturbed geo-economic or geopolitical situation. And if this geo-economic situation between two of the largest economies around the world, if the geo-economic situation settles down, then obviously there'll be some selling pressure on gold. But as I said, one of the conditions which China has laid down in the trade deal is it wants more recognition for yuan. And it wants yuan to be backed by gold, which is gold standard for yuan, which will see buying. So I think we'll have to wait and see how it comes out. But if it's a win-win deal for both the sides, yes, gold prices can see some more selling pressure in the days to come, Vaishali.
Thank you, Dr. Kohli, for joining me on the broadcast.